Welcome viewers, I'm Paul. Welcome back to the Next Boat channel. Today's a beautiful day in Seattle to highlight an express yacht. We've got a 2010 45-foot Formula for you to look at today, so come on and check it out. And on this 2010 Formula, this boat is loaded. It's had a ton of upgrades. One of them is this 11-foot Walker Bay, which has 1 hour on it. Little 30-horse Taihatsu, this thing should scoot right along. It's sitting on a hydraulic swim platform, which makes it really easy to launch. Big storage unit right here, so you can lift this up and then access all your dinghy stuff, wash gear, whatnot, and your control for your hydraulic swim platform is right there. I just want this. This is a beautiful tender and big for this size of boat. Let's go up and check out the seating area here. The 45 Formula, it's all about features, features, features. We've got a whole page of them here from 21. Access to the engine room down here, swivel table. You got room for 1, 2, 3, 6 butts back here. Another little storage area here. Refrigerator, ice maker. Up here we've got a sink, a little cooler, a garbage can, a grill, TV up here hooked into the entertainment system, expansive sunroof for ventilation, canvas that comes down and will close off this area here so you can keep this all heated or air conditioned. And then you've got the fastback with windows as well that goes all the way over the edge, over the back there, so you can have 2 sizes of zipped off area depending on your mood. And then also we've got another seating area here, so while you're cruising, your guests can lounge with you in this area. Storage up here as well. Nice tall windows. Look at this headroom. I mean, it just goes on and on. This Helm area, comprehensive and upgraded as well. Garmin glass panels, a Fusion, new AIS, dynamic positioning, so you can just hit a button and the boat will just stay wherever you want it. This is a really sanitary layout. Everything falls to hand. Joystick control, conventional style throttles, tons of visibility and ventilation. Running this boat up to the San Juans or down Hood Canal would be so easy. Nice big seating area with pop-up bolsters right here, so you can stretch your legs if you need to. This is a really cleanly laid out dash and control center for this boat. And that about wraps it up. Let's go check out the Salon. All right, down here in the galley salon area, it again is about features, features, features. Convection microwave oven, 2-burner stove, garbage can, controls for the water maker, 2-hole sink, storage banks everywhere, Bose surround system, nice big fridge freezer here, accent lighting up above. Over on this side, we've got a big seating area with a high-low table and some stools, room for probably 8 people comfortably, and a nice big 42-inch TV. Again, that's all hooked in through the audio system. One thing I haven't mentioned yet is that this boat also has hydronic heat, which is really nice and efficient way to keep it warm and dry in the off-season months. That pretty much covers this area. Let's go check out this forward stateroom. Welcome to the forward stateroom. Got probably a king at the ends and then, you know, a tight queen at the bottom, but that's how 4-peak mattresses have to be shaped. It's got good access around the side. Nice big closet space on either side. Surround sound, nice skylight, little TV right here, which is great. Under bed storage, and then a kind of a cool feature to get more space in the bathrooms is to split the shower area from the bath and sink area. But that's not the only sleeping area. We've got a second stateroom aft, so let's go check it out. Okay, back here in the aft stateroom, another nicely spaced area, couple single berths. And again, Formula did a great thing with separating the sink area from the shower. So you've got a vanity right there, and then inside is a completely separate head and shower area, completely separated and enclosed. Storage under these beds, storage locker to the side there, pretty good headroom. Again, Formula's done a great job maximizing the available space to give you as much room as possible. Here we are in the engine room on the 45 Formula, powered by 2 Volvo IPS 600s, which is 435-ish to the props. Speaking of props, we've got a spare set, water heater, Glendinning cable master, nice big space to access everything. Not a whole lot of headroom through the access hatch, but this whole floor section opens up when you really need to get some work done down here. Reverso oil changer behind me. Great access to the tops of the drives for servicing. Fuel filters over here, 11 kilowatt generator. There's also a camera down here so you can monitor things from the Helm. and it's clean, no water in the bilge. I mean, this boat is clean for its vintage and hours. Got 1,750 hours on the mains. Current owners have taken great care of it, and it really shows in the engine room. Up here on the bow of the 45 Formula is the spotlight, which is controlled from the helm. The windlass is under this hatch right here, which covers everything, so there's no worry about getting toes caught or tripping or anything like that. Moving towards the back is the hatch for the stateroom down below. Two big lounges that have backs that move up. And then another nice feature is how big this door is coming back into the helm area. All right, I hope you enjoyed the highlight on this 2010 Formula listed here at Emerald Pacific Yachts. Asking price is $429,000. It's a gorgeous boat, been taken great care of, and it's ready to go cruising, and the weather's coming our way, so come on down and check it out. I'm Paul, and we'll see you on the next boat.